Hello guys, so welcome to yet another episode of Coffee Series. Yes, none other than Boss Lady. And today's episode we are going to make you meet the most promising and the most successful lady who's owning a beauty clinic. And this concept came in first time in India by her. So let us know who is she. Yes, of course. I am talking about Dr. Bharti Taneja and I'm at Dr. Bharti Taneja's beauty clinic. And as you can see me, right, I'm all decked up by her team, and that's the reason I'm looking so glamorous. So we'll be having a glamorous episode coming for you all, and we'll be discussing about the challenges, the success story, and what more is there in their store. So let's come on, have coffee and chit chat with Bharti Taneja ji. So you can see me finally in frame with Dr. Bharti Taneja. Yay! And it's such a proud honor to be sharing frame with her. And also with us is joining her beautiful daughter Gunjan Taneja. How can we not talk about the accolades, the awards which she's received across the entire journey of her? To name few of them, the most prestigious ones, she's been awarded by Women Achievers Award by the President of India. Can you believe it, guys? She's also been awarded by Samman National Award. She's awarded by World Book of Records UK. She's been featured in that. The name is there. Then she's been awarded by Dronacharya Award. She's been awarded by Gold Star Award, Indo-Nepal Harmony Award, the Lifetime Achievement Award, guys. So she's got Savvy Women's Award. I mean, I can go on the entire day, the list of awards which she's received, and of course, she so deserved it. So welcome you both to my show, which is Coffee Series with Boss Lady.
Thank you.
I'm honored to have you both together, and it's such a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Our honor. So I can see, before we start, we can see a beautiful, set of green tea in front of me. So today we are not going to have coffee, mind it, not going to have coffee because we are at the glamorous place, and of course we need to look good, and that's the reason Dr. Bharti ji is serving us green tea, which is not exactly green tea, it is a herbal tea. And obviously, whom else we can expect this thing, because otherwise people are not worried about their health, but here we are worried about health, beauty and everything, and this is the perfect example that we're not going to have coffee, we're going to have herbal tea. Right, ma'am?
This is rose tea. We have jasmine, rose, many kind of teas here.
Oh.
So you can enjoy whatever you want.
And you can get the glow also.
Yes, tea is so good. Even for applying and for drinking, both.
Wow.
Yeah.
Let's cheers with this yummiest looking.
Yep.
So, Dr. Bharti ji, who believes in find your goal and focus in it. And yes, of course, then you have to see how life unfolds. So that's what she believes in.
Yeah,
So
of course.
Dr. Bharti ji. So Dr. Bharti Taneja, before becoming Dr. Bharti Taneja, what is Bharti Taneja or what is Bharti? So first of all, we would like to know that. You as a person.
I was a science math teacher before.
OMG.
Yeah, and
डंडा तो नहीं है कहीं आसपास?
नहीं है डंडा. डंडा मारने की कभी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी.
Teachers, you know.
But मुझे कभी डंडा मारने की ज़रूरत नहीं
Okay.
पड़ी. All my students always loved me. So कोई डंडा नहीं. I used to teach science, maths. बाद में शादी हुई उसके बाद you know I had this passion of making people beautiful.
Okay.
जो कि मैं बहुत बचपन से करती थी, बहुत ही छोटी सी, तब से भी मम्मी का मेकअप, सबके हेयर स्टाइल आई यूज्ड टू डू इट. तो उसी को मुझे लगा अपने पैशन को अगर मैं अपना प्रोफेशन बना लूँ
Okay.
तो व्हाट कैन बी बेटर दैन दैट.
Yes.
सो मैंने अपने पैशन को प्रोफेशन बना लिया. और अपनी जो मैंने एजुकेशन ली थी, साइंस एजुकेशन, आफ्टर दैट आई डिड माई BA MS ऑल्सो. फिर एक मैग्नेटोथेरेपी में भी मैंने डॉक्टरेट की एंड देन अरोमा थेरेपी में भी. तो वो सब अपनी सारी एजुकेशन को मैंने अपने पैशन में डाल दिया एंड स्टार्टेड विद कॉस्मेटिक क्लिनिक्स एंड ब्यूटी क्लिनिक्स.
Okay. But this is quite a transition, you know. Before marriage, you were a teacher, and after marriage, then you thought of, you know, coming into such a glamorous field, which is beauty, and that too, the most difficult part of it, which is beauty clinic, because wherein you know there's a lot of expertise is required, right?
Of
So
course.
that's such a transition in your maybe what was previous and then post marriage, right? So is it your husband inspired you, or the compliments which kept on coming from your husband inspired you? How did that thought for the first time came in कि यही करना है?
नहीं, ये थॉट तो मुझे बचपन से था. माई डैड नेवर वांटेड मी टू डू दैट बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू अ सर्ड फैमिली.
Okay.
तो डैड कहते थे बिल्कुल नहीं, ये ब्यूटी का कोई काम नहीं करना. बट आफ्टर मैरिज मैंने जब शी वॉज 4-5 years तो मुझे लगा उसके बाद आई वॉन्ट टू स्टार्ट सम बिजनेस. तो जब बिजनेस की बात आई तो मुझे लगा ब्यूटी विल बी द बेस्ट बिजनेस विच आई कैन डू बिकॉज आई लव्ड दैट. तो मैंने सोचा कि मैंने साइंस पढ़ी है, व्हाई नॉट टू पुट माई साइंस इन टू ब्यूटी. तो मैंने कॉस्मेटिक क्लिनिक खोलने शुरू किए. लेकिन मुझे जो हेल्प की दैट वाज माई होल फैमिली एक्चुअली. माई मदर इन लॉ, शी यूज्ड टू डू माई PR, माई social media.
Oh, these are like from those golden years.
That's good, yes. And my husband also took over very nicely, and he also helped me in my business very well.
Okay.
और फिर बच्चों ने जब बड़े हुए तो they also started working with me. So everybody, I think it is when your whole family is with you, I think you can really do well. So
Of
the
course.
whole family helped me.
Yeah, of course, we're going to come back on that also. Now, first of all, let me introduce you to Gunjan Taneja. So, Gunjan Taneja is not only having identity of, you know, she's daughter of Dr. Bharti Taneja, but she has her own identity. She has her own name. She's created in the society across worldwide. Why? Because she's the one woman army also, because she's managing her mom in beauty salons and beauty clinic inside, you know, the salon, and she's also helping her dad in bringing up new products, a big line of products, and wherein it comes to the back end, which is the factory, the place where the products are manufactured, are made with a lot of science knowledge, of course.
Definitely.
So Gunjan also is you know, a philanthropist, because she is coming up with a book also very soon. And why I said philanthropist, because she is also associated with Delhi University as a teacher, as a lecturer. I will not say a teacher, it's a lecturer, guys. And she is bringing in a lot of, you know, demarcations have been created between normal teaching to practical learning of beauty, which has been induced and maybe generated and reintroduced by Gunjan Taneja. So let's hear it from Gunjan Taneja.
Well, I think Seema, it's very important that you continue the legacy, because she's worked so hard. Both my parents, my father worked so hard on the same profession. So when you come to, you know, when you join the profession, it's your moral duty to join it first, and then it is actually your duty to expand in a way so that it multiplies geographically.
Absolutely.
So that was my whole thought. And in our profession, the best part is anybody who comes in, who, for example, let's say permanent makeup. I do a lot of cancer patients. I've learned from her.
Okay.
So I used to see her and I got inspired that anybody who comes in who's not feeling that well, she's not looking that good, and then she wants to look perfect, And if you make her eyebrows, they don't have hair, and maybe with thyroid they don't have hair. I do acid burnt victims also. There's one eyebrow is missing. So when you make it beautifully and they know that it's for lifetime, they start performing better. They get that confidence, and they know now they're facing the world, so they start performing better than their own thing. Because every day when you see a cancer patient or other patient, you'll always say, "Arey, aap sundar nahi lag rahe, you were okay," ya the moment you see them without the eyebrows, you know there is some problem. You start talking about the problem. Now when you see them perfect, you start talking about other things rather than themselves. So you see their capabilities than their face. So that's what we do, that we perform in a way that they look nice, they feel good. In a wedding they feel good, it's memorable for them. So every event, every day, I think we both add a lot of confidence in them. And that's why I continued the legacy, because I loved the whole job. I loved that thing of touching and making everybody smile and looking beautiful forever. So I've done all 24 courses: hair, beauty, nail, makeup, management and cosmetic making, everything. Because that's what is in the family, that every year, in whether you're working or not working, you need to do a course, you need to upgrade yourself. You need to get more educated. I completed my Harvard before I did my book. So I did my rhetoric writing from Harvard before this. Every year, one or the other, you have that's what they've taught, and that's what we've taught our son, in that way also. That you have to do one course, and if you're teaching, you need to upgrade every year.
Absolutely.
So she made me learn every course, and that's how. Because it's not, because generally what I have seen when people carry the legacy forward, it's just the way you say, it's just the name. अच्छा मम्मी ने सिखाया, मम्मी के साथ बैठ गया, you become the top. I started from being a receptionist to a storekeeper to assisting a manager, getting those scolding to a manager, and then we expanded, I think. And that's why when somebody, even a receptionist says, that I don't know how to do this, I said, लाओ दिखाओ, मैं बताती हूँ, ऐसे कर लो आप. Because I have been there for 2 months, taken that journey forward, and that helps. And that definitely helps. So that makes you grounded also. And that makes you solve a lot of problems. You're just a problem solver in every way.
I know. So Gunjan, when she was born, she would have thought that I'm born with the silver spoon. But eventually she realized that this silver spoon is not easy to put in your mouth. So you really have to earn it, right?
Even if you're born with silver spoon, you need to pick it yourself and feed yourself.
You have to feed it yourself, and you have to really earn it, right?
Yeah,
you
definitely.
earned it well,
Definitely.
because you learned it. And you actually were not only, kind of with the push, or maybe because of the pressure of your parents, you did it because you wanted to do it.
Yeah, I wanted.
You wanted to support your parents, and that's how you have made it so big. She started with beauty clinics, eventually expanded to beauty products, and now she also has her own beauty academy. So she's got 3 big verticals, which is beauty clinic, beauty products, and beauty academy. Isn't it really big? You must be minting a lot of money, right, guys? And now I got to know, another secret behind this successful business empire is also her husband.
Yes, of course.
So how is that he's supporting you, and how you liking it?
When we started our business, I went to buy the products, for facial and everything. There were a lot of creams in the market, 5-6 creams, and all were different color and different perfumes. I'll say perfumes because there was nothing in that, yellow cream, green cream, orange cream. But how can it be possible that orange cream has the same rate as almond cream, as vitamin E cream? So I was sure that there's nothing in that. So I never wanted to use that, because I never wanted to ditch my clients, and I used my own oils, because I knew herbals, so I used to use my herbs, and later on I learned making products.
But your own herbs mean to say that you created, made
I used to
those.
get all the herbal products, whatever I used to get, and all the herbs from the kitchen and everything. So I used to use them along with that. Like I used to take vitamin E and use it along with that to make it vitamin E cream. So I used to use oil, almond oil, to make it almond cream. So that way, once I saw an ad to learn cosmetics, I learned it. And and that was not very useful, but at least that gave me confidence to start with it. And I used to make products in my kitchen with my husband. So my husband used to always with me. At the moment also, he's always with me. We are always together. So
Lovely couple, yeah.
thank you. So he really liked it, and I was very busy. And I used to spoil the things because I was very busy and sometimes spoil my creams as well.
Okay.
So he said, why not to, let me do this. And he started making my products.
Oh.
So he took it over, then he learned a lot, he did a lot of courses, he did a lot of research, he's also a science person. So he started making products, and since 1990, we are into this, we are making products. And he's making very good products, and the best thing is what we say, we do it. If we say it's vitamin E cream, it will be vitamin E. If I say this is 24 karat gold, it means 24 karat gold only. So that's what we maintain. And now Gunjan is also there. She's looking after the factory, helping her father, because there's, now we have made some new things also, so that she can
Now
explain.
we are into third-party manufacturing, the same formula which we've been using for ages.
Okay.
So if you think that you're somebody who want to have products in your name, for example, you want the Boss Lady range, and you don't want to get into factory and making, you can just come discuss with us,
Okay.
see samples, and maybe give your own theory about what you want, and then we make the entire range in your name with our manufacturing license. So then it becomes much easier for you to set your
Yeah.
emphasis is more into expansion, our emphasis becomes more in manufacturing. So we combine both the things together, and then so we started third party manufacturing just before COVID.
But there's a wide variety, as you can see here on the table. I think that this is not even 1% of it, what they
We
are
have
making.
120 products in total at the moment we are doing.
120 products, this is huge. So also I'm very excited to ask some more questions. From last 30 years, you both husband and wife are working together. Obviously you're taking care more of clinic and academy, and he's more taking care of beauty products. पर लड़ाई नहीं होती, नहीं मैंने बोला ऐसे बनाना तो ऐसे ही बनाना है, और तुम ही कर लो अपने आप सारा कुछ, मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, I'm not. The way we also fight, like हम लोग लड़ते हैं यार ऐसे. So do you have that kind of fight? Because 3 decades, it's too much. Like मैं तो शादी के 20 साल में ही बड़ी परेशान हो रही हूँ. मतलब you've been married also, and you have your work also together.
Yeah,
There should be an inspiration going for all the women out there.
I think the best thing is, we have separated everything, segregated work, and we don't interfere. We only help each other.
Okay.
So, like he's making products, but once we are making products, when we have the new formula, I just go through it and decide the percentage. And when we are making some color cosmetics, so I make the colors myself, because whatever I like, or maybe she likes, so I make the colors. But once I'm doing my work, he doesn't interfere at all. Only thing is I ask him so many things, and he helps me. And the best part is he looks after the finance, which I cannot do it at all.
But no, I should add on one thing. Whatever she wants to say, which she really wants to say, the way he said कि इसमें ये नहीं है, उसमें वो नहीं है, she'll always say, कुंजन तुम तो फैक्ट्री जा रही हो ना, तुम ही समझा लो. Okay, done. So they won't fight ever. वो बोलेंगे तुम अपने मम्मी को ये समझा लो कि ये ठीक है, वो बोलेंगे तुम समझा लो. But they will never fight. I've never seen that. That is not a problem.
But he's a very nice person. He's very helping and very, he always inspires me to do something. Whatever I want to do, he helps me.
Also,
so he never stops me.
It's very difficult when I was very young. I used to see this, and that's how I really respect both of them. When we go to parties or when we go anywhere, you go to events of beauty. She's a legend. People want picture, with her, but
yes,
not with us or with them, or not with dad at least. At that time. So they will always say कि ma'am के साथ खिंचवाएं, and he's standing there and he's not. That takes a lot of courage for a man.
Absolutely.
For a woman it doesn't. For a man it does. When you're just sitting backstage and your wife is just getting clicked and clicked and clicked for good 2 hours and you just watch it. But he will always smile. That's such a rare quality which I could see in him. and that inspires you to do more.
Absolutely.
And the way she gives back is the amount of care she does. आप रात के 1 बजे भी उनको बोलो कि डैड बोल रहे हलवा बना दो, she'll be like done, she'll do it. So it's the I think the world loves her and she loves him. That's the best part.
That's the secret, you know.
Yeah.
Because he knows he has the best person with her, with him, you know. So that is the very important thing, because I love him and I respect him and I give him whatever he likes. I really care for him. So that is what he, you know, inspires him to help
That
me everywhere.
motivates him
So
and,
it is always, you know, then you know, if I help them, it's
very
win-win.
important. Yeah.
She's not even watched ever a serial or a movie without him also. Never ever. Never gone for a walk without him.
Wow.
So now you know how much
The
that bond.
compatibility comes from there.
You will now you start noticing everybody who sees you meets us in pastry, they'll always team up with clothes every morning.
Also, I was about to pick up that point, because you know these, you know, generally we say all men's, you know, they are male chauvinists. Ki maine kiya hai, I am the one, I am the creator, I am the one who's doing it. But here, I just heard the story, and this is really appreciable and remarkable that he has been always, you know, at the backdrop, supporting her and, you know, pushing her ahead.
I think my whole family is like that.
Yeah.
She's also like that, and even Ishika, you know, all of them, all of us.
Yeah, since you brought Ishika in the conversation. So Ishika Taneja is her second daughter, is her younger daughter.
So if I talk about Ishika also when she was very young, she started learning beauty. I mean, she got interest into beauty, and later on she also learned all the courses like her. And then she was really interested in makeup.
Okay.
And she went abroad after learning from us. She wanted to learn from London. She did one course of makeup from London, and then she did another course from Hollywood. She worked in Hollywood with a lot of stars, Hollywood stars. Yeah, she worked for 6 months.
She herself is a star. Yeah?
But once she came back, she wanted to work with us, and she did a Guinness Book of World Record. We did world record. We did 345 makeups in 2 hours.
OMG.
Yeah, 345 makeup hairstyles in 2 hours.
In 2 hours.
In 2 hours. Guys, can you beat it? This is another record. I just heard about it. 345 makeup in 2 hours. We just do one makeup in 2 hours.
But we had a small team
We
also.
had a team with us.
But she did 60 makeups in 60 minutes, you know.
All alone.
So all alone
I might
with
faint
airbrushing.
on this. I might
She
faint.
did on airbrushing.
Airbrushing she did, and she learned it from there, and she did it airbrushing.
Airbrushing was something new.
That time it was new. Although I was doing it since long, but she did 60 makeups in 60 minutes and did a Guinness Book of World Record.
Amazing.
After that, she started teaching also, and later on she went to Bombay. Then the whole thing changed.
I mean, you know, Dr. Bharti Taneja ji is not only doctor, is not only entrepreneur, is not only a businesswoman. She's also a very nice, you know, daunted mother as well, right? So this is, you know, a versatile qualities of Dr. Bharti Taneja. Also, I would like to add one thing here. You know, people always confuse everybody who's attached with beauty, you know, as in the name or the word, take them as they are the makeup artist. However, in her case, I would talk about she's the legend. She's a legend. Why? Because she's not only introduced new techniques of doing makeup, also she's come up with this beautiful product line, and also she's come up with beauty clinic, which is very, very essential as of today, because these facials and all these are temporary, but what she does with her expertise is something which remains permanent. And also they have now academy, so which is another, you know, feather being added like long back in her brand, and I'm sure they're doing wonderful.
I was a teacher, you know. I was a teacher. I was a science math teacher. So now I teach beauty, you know, instead of doing science. So I teach beauty, and I, you know, once I teach beauty, I always teach science, because I want everybody to learn about the skin, about hair, about the body, and then beauty. So that's why we always teach scientifically, everything scientifically and practically. We are really too good, because we do free of cost. We do work for people who want to come and get their work done from our students. So our students get a lot of practice. Once they go out, they are really confident about themselves, theoretically and practically as well.
And we're training to all 3 categories. So if you're somebody who wants just a basic course. You want to see how you want to perform, so you do a basic with us. Or there's someone who was already running salons and doing successfully well, but you want to know something more advanced, so we have crash courses and those advanced courses with us. And the third category, if someone who's getting married or who loves to do makeup and wants to do self courses, and in that advanced version also, so we're covering that also. So in all three categories of nail, hair, makeup, skin, we're covering every category there too. So we've made the plan in such a way that everybody is actually a student, and whosoever loves beauty or loves to do makeup can just come and learn.
Can just become a student,
yeah,
can learn.
and
There's everything for everybody.
Yeah,
That's
everything.
right?
Yeah.
Great. So this is one umbrella wherein you can cover the entire top to bottom, or from head to toe, all part of your body, and there's a course to that, right? So how difficult it is to fight back the competition, and if we take few names like Shehnaz Hussain, she came before you, I guess. So you had a very big competition with Shehnaz Hussain. You had Blossom Couture. You had Vandana VLCC. They were like, those were the times when they were doing really big. So how difficult was that, when you started in 1988? Already they had made their mark. I think Shehnaz Hussain had already by the time had received an award by Prime Minister of India, as in the first woman entrepreneur of India, and she was a big name. How difficult was that? Like, and उस time पे हमारा ये social media marketing भी नहीं होता था. It used to be only newspaper, print media, and TV channels, or maybe word of mouth.
See, I was totally different from them because I was working only on inside out, cosmetic clinic jobs. So that nobody was doing it. So I was totally different from them. Products I started making later on. And Blossom Ji was that time only, she was more into academies. Not into salons. And Vandana Luthra started, with us. Same time we started together. So that was not a problem. Problem was people never wanted to take it as a good business for educated people. That was the problem. Even for academies also. People used to bring their children ki, इस बच्चे को कुछ नहीं आता. She cannot do anything in her life. तो इसको पढ़ा दो. इसको beauty पढ़ा दो. I was feeling so bad. Why people who cannot do anything in life, they will learn beauty? It is for the people who want to do something in their life. So that was a big challenge, bigger challenge than anybody else.
Hey, in addition, Seema, what I feel personally is you do good. You should be aware what your competition is doing. You should do good in your own way and let the client choose. That's much easier.
And also, you just brought up a right thing right here, that Bharti Taneja ji has worked with the legends of the industry. Few of them she just mentioned: Aishwarya Rai, Madhuri Dixit,
Sushmita Sen.
Started with Sushmita Sen, right?
Yeah. Sushmita Sen's first makeup I did when she came into this field.
Gracie Singh.
A lot of people.
But you should actually now brag about it. Brag about it. Why am I saying sorry, guys? To all those big Instagram followers, they are those who actually doing the real. I'm not saying that you guys are not doing good. However, there's more shosha baji which is happening on Instagram as of today. However, with the real work, so you have done the real work. You should brag about it.
Nafisa Ali and everybody.
Maima even uses our products. Maima Chaudhary uses our products.
Maima also. Maima uses. Sudha Chandran is using my products since 30 years. More than 30 years.
I am. They are so big and they are expert in their domain. But I am giving my domain's expertise to them, telling them brag about it. Bring in those people now onto your social media and let them talk about your brand. I think that obviously you don't need any kind of validations. However, there's somebody who's really popular and also associated with your brand should definitely validate your brand as compared to others. I think that really makes sense.
Sure.
So ये मेरा एक छोटा सा
जबकि
मेरी औकात नहीं है टिप देने
I think we learn every day and we learn from everybody.
That's what I always say. We learn from everybody.
We love that.
Yeah, I have learned a lot today. Also, how to handle my marriage life also have learned, which is not part of their academy course, mind it. But we've learned this also today.
That was the mother touch given, huh?
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you can just go to your husband's heart through stomach. So I make a lot of
It does work.
dishes.
It does work.
It does work. I love to cook, and at night once there's no servant, people go and we all are sitting together. So I cook, lachedar paranthas and halwa and all those things, at night at 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock.
She's got many awards. It's a lamba list. I'll have to open my phone. But then the few ones you please mention the top ones. She has been awarded like
From Rashtrapati.
From Rashtrapati.
from the Rashtrapati Bhavan to any big event which is happening around India, she's been awarded, and she is the talk of the town. She's been asked and she's been in demand by everybody in the event that Bharti Taneja ji has to be there.
But the best award, what I feel, is seeing smile on my client's face.
Wow. It was a lovely conversation with both of them together, and would have loved to have Sir and also Ishika in frame, but we cannot be lucky every time, right, guys? But I would want Dr. Bharti Taneja ji to sum up with some message for the girls and also for the boys across.
Yeah, I think the best thing is you do whatever you like, whatever passion you have, follow your passion. I always say, follow your passion, focus on that, work hard, and you will get everything. Only thing is you manage your time and work hard and work honestly. That's also very important.
Thank you so much, both of you, for coming on Coffee Series with Boss Lady with Instafi, and all the best to your entire team and to all your endeavors which are coming up in the future.
Thank you so
We
much.
loved it too.
And all the best to you as well.
Thank you so much.